Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to use our drop-down menu in code.org so you can let users choose from different options in your app. This is perfect for quizzes, forms, or even creating settings on your game or your app. So simply open your browser and open code.org website on your laptop or desktop. After you have opened your code.org website, simply log in into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in into my account, and after that you can simply click on new project, and in here you can simply go to the second option, that is the app lab option. Now go to the design tab on the top. As you can see, here is the design tab. You can simply click on it. From the toolbox on the left, drag a drop down element onto your app screen. Here is the screen, and you can simply drag it over here, and this will create a drop down option on your screen. Select the drop down, then in the right handle panel give it an ID. For example, my drop down. As you can see, it is written dropdown.1 or dropdown1. You can simply rename it and give it name like my dropdown. Now still in the properties panel, add a choice by typing them into the option box, one per line. As you can see, you can add options here, that is any option that you want on your drop down menu. Switch the code tab to get the selected value from the drop down menu. Simply go to the code, then click on it, and after that you can use your drop down menu as you wish. As you can see, the drop down menu works perfectly here. You can now use that choice in your program as well. Run your app and test selecting different drop down options. Your code will respond to whatever the user picks, and that's it. You now know how to add and use a drop down menu in code.org's lab app or app lab. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and comment what topics should I cover next. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.